Blessed people, hope you're having a great day so far. And Tommy Lee's part of that we come for talk about Blessing set to release for today. Yeah, so if you was waiting on that song, just like myself, today is the final day. Tommy Lee say, all my fans, the wait is over. Today, May 8, tune into my Vivo channel, 3 p.m. Eastern. That's at 2 p.m. here, so. Now, when we talk about song, now, people, we are talking about the official video for Tommy Lee, Blessing, you know. You know how long we wait on it? I mean, I tell you, say, people, the quality look way up, well pretty. And you know, say, Tommy Lee known for that from day one still. Tommy Lee are one of the dancehall artists, them with the best quality video, them. No know how him do it, but film thing them always shot. Stand out from all of the dancehall artists, them. And one can't deny that, people, that are just facts, is it me? So Tommy Lee move on to say, appreciate all the blessings and take none for granted. Is it me? Today, blessings, hashtag visuals, damage music. Well, I look forward for that video here, Tommy Lee. And we know say it a go shot. We know say it a go shot.
They have some. I know a few.